So one of the things I like about this tool so much, and it's the only tool I'm going to sell and recommend, the CFR tool, is it's not the most inexpensive tool you're going to buy, but it's probably the most convenient. And let me show you a couple things. When you get this assembly, it's going to come with the head unit, which has the ability to reduce airflow. So on a machine like this, a small portable, that's not going to be an issue. On a truck mount, it may pull in too much and you want to have a little bit of airflow relief on this. The tip comes right out, very easy to interchange, and this swivels, which is also very, very convenient. When you get down to the other end on the machine, there is the solution hose is hidden. There's strain relief, and it even comes with a male nipple, so you can plug it right into your machine. It's good to go right off the bat. But check this out. This will plug right into the mattress claw. And one of the things I want to do is, if we're trying to dry the bedding quicker, instead of trying to do dry strokes first and then wash out the soil, this is smaller. Great tool, great velocity, great shearing. We're going to go back to that. But if I want to do it quicker, or if I have one area, say, where there was urine or blood, where it was really saturated, I'm going to use the mattress claw to pull that out. And I'm going to go over the whole mattress really quickly. I'll probably do half of it on the video, just to show that this can help dry. And I'll get into that in a minute. Let's make a little noise. So that's pulling out moisture. And I'll tell you why that's important. Now, if this was an area of urine, I would put that on there and let it sit for a number of seconds. And the neat thing is, too, if I felt I had to rinse something, pull this off. If I had to rinse something, I could spray this and pull up an extra amount if I wanted to do some extra rinsing before I got to my main rinse. So this enables me to do a couple different things. So let's turn that off. So what I was saying is, if I needed to rinse something, say there was a heavy concentration of blood or urine here, and I wanted to get a lot of extra moisture out so I didn't have a puddle in this area or a wet spot when everything else was dry, I would put the mattress claw on here and I'd let it sit for 10, 20, 30 seconds until I didn't see any more moisture coming out of it. Now, or any more moisture coming out of the mattress. So now what I've done is I've removed a layer of soil, I've removed a layer of moisture. So now I'm going to go back and actually wash the mattress. So in this mixture, I'm going to do one of two things. I'm going to use the Dream Rinse, and when these are brand new, there's a little snug until they loosen up a little bit. And I can either mix Oxy Crush into that. And again, with this CFR tool, this comes with this 13-foot hose. I have more than enough to set up the extractor and do this bed. It wouldn't matter if it's a California King or what size it was. So I don't have so much hose that I'm losing vacuum, but I have enough hose to be very, very comfortable. So whether you're doing steps or whether you're doing car interiors or mattresses, of course, this will enable you with this quality tool to clean better, to dry faster, and to be more convenient, because you don't have to bring in another hose set, and that's always nice. You bring in the one piece, you're good to go.